We're in uncharted territory. This is not just a soundbite, it's how NASA climate scientist Gavin Schmidt described the blistering, record-breaking heat of 2023 in Nature. Global temperatures shot up about 0.2 degrees Celsius than the world's top climate models expected. Oceans hit record warmth, Antarctic sea ice melted to historic lows, and even seasoned scientists were left reeling by just how extreme and unexpected the spike was. Sure, everyone anticipated a hot year thanks to El Niño and long-term greenhouse gas buildup, but the sheer magnitude of 2023 heat took the scientific community by surprise. It sparked urgent debate. Did the models miss something crucial? Could other factors like less sunlight reflecting pollution, increased water vapor from underwater volcanoes, or a rapid reduction in sulfate aerosols from cleaner shipping fuels have supercharged the warming? Schmidt and colleagues stressed that isn't just a statistical outlier. It might signal that the Earth's climate is warming even faster than our best projections suggest. The scientific community is now racing to analyze new data, test their models, and pin down what really happened. This event has forced climate scientists to reconsider everything from how sensitive the climate is to greenhouse gases to how feedback loops and sudden changes must surprise us again. The bottom line, 2023 could be a wake-up call that our understanding of Earth climate is still evolving, and that rapid disruptive changes can happen even sooner than expected. The rhetorical question stands: have we underestimated the pace and scale of climate change? Maybe. What's clear is that every extra tenth of a degree matters, and science is moving fast to keep up with the realities unfolding in real time.